If you're looking to quickly build a stylish and highly efficient tiny house using SIPs, this design is for you. This compact yet spacious model offers 34 square meters of smart living space, with one living area, a functional kitchen, a loft, and a bathroom. Its striking asymmetrical design doesn't just stand out, it also creates generous loft height upstairs. Take a look at these realistic renderings. Enjoy near passive insulation, SIP floor, walls, and roof. Optional upgrade to BASF Neopore for 12% better performance, or add mineral wool to increase our value by 4. Everything is pre-engineered, pre-cut, and numbered. A team of 4 can lock up the house in just one day. After that, customize with your own finishes. Solar roofing is available upon request. Watch how fast our factory demo pre-installation is only 2 hours. This is what on-site installation looks like.